In this video, we will show you how to connect Hostinger email to Gmail. If you guys want to get started with Hostinger, you can use the links down in the description. First, log into your Hostinger account and find the email details like IMAP/SMTP settings and your email credentials. Next, open Gmail, click on the settings icon, and select See All Settings. Then go to the Accounts and Import tab, click Add a Mail Account, and enter your Hostinger email address. Choose Import Emails from my other account, POP3, and provide your username, password, POP server like pop.hostinger.com, and port, usually 995. For sending email, select Yes, I want to send mail as, enter your display name, and provide the SMTP server details like smtp.hostinger.com. Verify the setup with the code sent to your email. If you face issues, check your email credentials and server details, and ensure POP/IMAP is enabled in Hostinger. Now you can manage Hostinger emails directly in Gmail. So that's how to connect Hostinger email to Gmail. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Hostinger. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.